Hey guys, thank you so much for returning back to the channel about tutorials, and thank you so much for giving this much love to the channel. So far, I just recently started and then putting a few videos on it, and you guys have started liking it already. Okay, so I'll just quickly jump onto the topic for us for today. If you guys have been using Microsoft Outlook and then trying to use the names to auto-populate the contacts, such as I have a account, if I say LinkedIn. So I have used a few emails here which are not particularly to someone, just to save the privacy of others. So let's say I'm trying to send an email to LinkedIn. I type LinkedIn and then it just appears automatically, right? So I want to send another email to Microsoft maybe, but it's not appearing. In your case, it can be your friend Michael, or for LinkedIn, it can be anyone's with name L. But if I go into my contacts, I see the contacts are already there. I see the LinkedIn is there, Microsoft account is also there, Cred and CoinSearch is also there. But when I type email, automatically it should pop up, right? So it should pop up Microsoft if I type, but it is not. So how are we gonna fix it? Let's check this. So first, we will be going to click on send and receive, and then I'm going to click on work offline. Now it says working offline here at the bottom of the screen, you can see. Now you hit Control N or then open a new window for the new emails. Here we are going to import contacts from your address book. How you can do this? Click on address book and select all these contacts. You can select all these contacts like this by hit and hold shift key and then click on OK. Now all the contacts have been loaded into your to section wherein we need to send emails. Here click on to and then click on OK. All the emails have been loaded. Now I'm just gonna type test and send it to everyone. Now you say, hey, why are we sending this email to everyone? This is gonna spam, right? So we are not sending it. I clicked on offline. Now you see the email is stuck in Outlook. I mean Outbox. So we're gonna just quickly click on delete, and then the email has deleted. So it has not been sent to anyone since we are working offline. Now I'm gonna click on work online again, and if you can also see that in sent the email is not there. Now, it has auto-populated all the emails we wanted to send into this auto-population option. Now, I'm going to type cred. There you go. I'm going to type Microsoft Outlook. Here it is. I'm going to type LinkedIn. Here it is coming. And there was one more email if I remember. Let's say cred, yeah, and then CoinSwitch. There you go. All the emails are coming automatically here. This is how you're gonna fix it. And if it does help you anywhere in this video, thank you so much for watching this video. Please click on the like button and have a great day. We'll see you in the next fix or a trick. Thank you.